Hi, 7th grade. Hope you're having a good week so far and that you're ready to tackle this Wednesday and get all your things done that you need to get done. Today we are going to talk about lesson 10.6, which is actually about samples and populations. So as we go through the lesson a little bit together and before you watch the videos for today, I want you to keep the essential question in mind. And that is, how can I determine if a sample accurately represents a population? So basically what they're saying is, hey, you know what? If I'm taking a survey to find out the favorite flavor of ice cream of 6th graders around the United States, okay, how do I know if I've asked enough kids? Okay, now we've talked before about asking 6th graders about ice cream, okay? And I think that you would agree with me that it might be a little bit unreasonable to be able to poll every single 6th grader in the United States. Am I right? I mean, it would take way too long. And what if you miss somebody? What if somebody was sick? So we have to be able to take a good sample of students to see who likes what flavor. Okay, now one of the ways that we could do that is we could take a few students from every school in the United States. Maybe that might be a little tough. We might take some students from just a few from every state in the United States. That's a little bit more feasible because we're getting, to every state across the country. So we're talking about that today. So a couple of things that you need to know, and the first thing I want you to know is what a sample is. So a sample is part of the population. There's no way that we could ask every single student what their favorite flavor of ice cream is. We're just not going to get to everyone, okay? So the sample is the group of students that we're going to end up asking. An unbiased sample represents random samples and gives enough info for accuracy. So an unbiased example of students asking about ice cream would be, like I said, if I went to maybe, I asked a certain number of students in every single state across the country, that's a pretty unbiased sample because I've asked, from all over. I need to make sure I ask boys and girls. It's unbiased, okay? A biased sample is not representing the population and it shows favoritism. Let me give you an example. If I stand outside of Baskin-Robbins and only ask kids coming out of that store what their favorite kind of ice cream is, I'm kind of targeting certain kids who go to the ice cream store. What about everybody else? Or if I was at the, chocolate convention and I asked every student there what their favorite kind of ice cream was. Well, okay, I'm only asking kids who are there for a chocolate convention. That is biased. It's not a good representation. Even if I just ask kids in Arizona what their favorite type of ice cream flavor is, that would be biased too, because if I'm doing it for the whole country, I really need a sample from everywhere. So you're going to be looking at that and talking about that and learning about that in your lesson today. So 10.6 is up on Big Ideas. You've got that to complete. Before you do that, please, please, please watch the videos that are linked in your lessons on the assignment sheet, okay? Make sure that you view those to make sure that you know it. And let me know if you have any questions and I will help you out. You guys have a great day and I will see you later. Bye.